Welcome to AI and Us, the podcast exploring the fascinating intersection of artificial intelligence and human society. Together, we'll demystify the world of AI while unpacking its profound impact on how we live, work, and shape our future. Our mission is simple: to bridge the gap between technical innovation and public understanding. We foster informed, thought-provoking dialogue on AI, its possibilities, challenges, and the future we're all creating together. Each episode tackles pressing questions about AI's role in everyday life and work, ethics and decision-making, innovation and economic growth, social impact and equality, future possibilities and challenges. Join us as we navigate the AI revolution, making complex concepts accessible and empowering you to be an active participant in shaping an AI-enabled future that truly serves humanity's best interests. Subscribe now to AI and US. Let's explore the future together.